Next we are going to see the FM transmitter. An FM transmitter is nothing but it's a low power transmitter and it uses FM waves for transmitting the sound. This transmits audio signals through the carrier wave by the difference of frequency. I have told when I have explained the frequency modulation, the frequency parameter is changed according with the amplitude of the message signal. Earlier in the AM transmitter, the amplitude is varying and here there will be the difference of frequency. The carrier wave frequency is equivalent to the audio signal of the amplitude and the frequency transmitter produce VHF band of 88 to 108 MHz frequency. The band width or the band range is 82 to 108 MHz. Okay. And this is the block diagram of FM transmitter. You can see the first block diagram is the microphone and the microphone produces the message signals and which will be audio pre-amplified and it is sent to the modulator, and the oscillator below gives the carrier signal and then it is modulated by the modulator, and from the modulator the output is given to the radio frequency amplifier which is then transmitted to the receiver section via the antenna. Okay, these are the block diagram and it is very simple transmitter block diagram, and this is the FM transmitter block diagram. Okay, and it consists of message signal that is coming from the microphone and it is amplified since it is of weak signals, and then after amplifying and it is given to the modulated block diagram, and the oscillator produces the carrier signal which is required for the modulation process, and after modulating it is transmitted to the antenna via an RF amplifier which converts the output of modulator into a boosting stage, that is RF amplifier. It amplifies the RF signal, okay, and given to the antenna. These are the block diagrams of frequency modulation transmitter. The required component of FM transmitter are microphone, audio preamplifier, modulator, oscillator, RF amplifier and antenna. There are two frequencies in the FM signal. First one is carrier frequency and the other one is audio frequency. The audio frequency is used to modulate the carrier frequency. Okay, the FM signal is obtained by differing the carrier frequency by allowing the audio frequency. I have explained in the frequency modulation process, that is the carrier frequency is modified or modulated with the help of audio frequency. Okay, the FM transmitter consists of oscillator to produce the radio signal which is a carrier signal. Okay, there are two types of FM transmitter as in the case of AM transmitter. The AM transmitter, two types was low level AM transmitter and high level AM transmitter. Here the FM transmitter are of two types, that is first one is direct and second one is indirect FM transmitter. And inside direct transmitter there are two types, that is cross by utilizing AF loop. AFC loop is nothing but automatic frequency control loop, and second one is PLL based. Second one is indirect, in which two of them is there, that is Armstrong and FM transmitter using PM modulators. Okay.